Hi guys, this is Karina. So today I'm going to do a quick video on template 24, which is my medium rose. So this is what we're going to work on today. So let me show you the template. So you do receive just 2 petals, and you will notice that your inner petal is going to be smaller than your outer petal. Okay, what you will need is 12 of these, and then for this one it can range. Typically I either do 16 petals or 20. Today I'm going to do 16, but if you want more of a fuller look, you can definitely do 20. It's up to your preference. So I have already prepped my petals. Here are my 12 for my inner, and if you notice that they are slightly curled, I like to do this just because it helps me manipulate better when I do the inner center. So you can use wooden dowel, or as if you've watched my older videos, I like to use my spaghetti utensil. So just anything that has like a round to help you curl them a little bit inward. Okay, so I have those ready to go. So this will be a 2-part. Right now we're just going to work on the inner center of the rose. So you're going to need 4 first, and what you're going to do, you need your glue gun. Is first you're going to make like a wishbone, okay, or maybe like a bow tie, right? Looks like a bow tie. And then you're gonna grab your other one. So you're gonna meet right here where the edge is, and then same thing. So here are my 4. Okay, just like that. And then what I like to do is just give them a good fold, just like that. So you should have like this square in the middle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab opposite ends. Okay. And then do you see how I'm going in? That's what you're going to do. And then just make a cone. Just pop that in glue. Just like that. So that's what you want. That's the first part. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put glue outer edge, and then you're going to wrap it around. Just like that. Hold it for a few seconds. Apologize if my son comes in. And then other end, and then wrap it around. And then hold. Oh, I got a little buddy here. Little ant. I am working on the floor. My desk is a hot mess. Okay, so there you go. That's the first part. Now, put that to the side. Same thing. Get a bow, then get your other 2. That. Okay. So grab your cone, add some glue, and now you're going to center it in the middle. Just like that. Grab any end you want. I'm gonna go up this side. Same thing, put glue, sides, and then wrap it around. for a few seconds. Now, go to the next one. So you're gonna go around in a circle. And then just repeat. Next one. Now up to you how wide you want this to be. It's up to your preference. All right, put that to the side and then grab your last 4. Like that. And then do the same thing. We're going to add some glue, center it in the middle. Okay, pick a side. And then repeat. Wrap around. Remember, you are working with hot glue, so watch those fingers. Now, if you've purchased 24, which is a large, it's constructed the same way, along with my small and extra small. The only difference with the extra small is I just do 8 inner petals instead of 12. But it's pretty much constructed the same way. And there you go. That's what you should have, just like that. And then for your outer petals, we're gonna grab 4. Now let me show you how to prep these. Grab anything with the, again, you need something to curl with. I'm gonna use my wooden dowel. You can find these at Walmart, Home Goods, not Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. You can get them. And then you just want to give the ends a curl. See how I'm going around? Now don't go all the way down. That's not what you want. You just want the top to kind of go down, okay? And that's what it should look like. Keep this in handy because you'll need it. Add some glue. Now, I like to go first, start this side. Do you see right here where you kind of have like a triangle? That's kind of where I like to begin. You're gonna glue that on the bottom. Now, here's a tip. I like to first kind of grab the 2 ends and pinch. And do you see how it's creating that crease? That's what we want. Okay, so I'm just kind of, I guess, would you say testing it to make sure that it's going to curl the way I want it to. And if I like it, then I'm going to do a little bit of glue, just a tad, and then pinch. Now, this is meant to be kind of wrinkly, so it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect. And just hold. Okay. Grab the next one, glue, opposite side. Let it sit there for a few seconds. Repeat the same steps. I'm going to kind of pinch it. Now, good example right here. Do you see how this is curling more downward? I don't want that. So what that means is I need to grab my wooden dowel and I'm just going to give this a curl right here. That just means I need to curl it more, but not necessarily go all the way down. Now let me do it again. Okay, there we go. That I'm liking it better. And use your fingers. There we go. So I'm just gonna add some glue and pinch. Oh, I just burned my finger, of course. There we go. Now you need another petal. Same thing, glue. Now we're gonna go opposite end. Same thing, I'm gonna first pinch it, grab my wooden dowel, gonna shape it first with my fingers, pinch it, okay. And then hold. All right, last one. A few seconds. Alright, so now this one I didn't curl too well because as you can see, this is not going back. So again, just grab your wooden dowel. Let's try it again. Gonna pinch. Okay. And then there you go. That's the first part. So I'm going to stop the video here, and then the next part too, we will add the remainder of the petals around. Okay, so hopefully that helped. I think because I don't have received messages from others just with the curling of the petals. Just keep your wooden dowel in handy, and it does take practice. And again, remember, it doesn't have to be perfect either. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it here, and I'll be right back.